Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Experience Tutor. Today's correction lesson is dedicated to one of our subscriber Mahi Saha. She have checked one of the answer for question number 2.2 part C from ncert book and come out that we have done some calculation error. Yes, we admit that there was a calculation error. So this correction lesson is dedicated to Mahi Saha. Thank you, Mahi, for coming out and writing us for the correction. Thank you very much. We appeal to the student, please communicate like Mahi and please tell us what are the problems, what you like, what you don't like in our site, in our video lessons, so that we can modify it according to your requirement. Thank you. Now let us give up. Let us solve this question again for Mahi and other students. So we know that 1 meter is equal to, first step, we know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Why? Because it is simple that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. We have written this only here. Now 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 10 to the power 3 kilometer. We have just written 1000 in the exponent form, nothing else. So 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. What we have done here, we have taken this 10 to the power 3 to from denominator to the numerator. So the um, exponent of 10 to the power minus 3 became 10 to the power 3 became 10 to the power minus 3. Now again we have written 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 into 60 hour. Why? Simple. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Therefore 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 into 60 hour. So the same we have written here, 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 into 60 hour. Now 1 second inverse is equal to, so what we have done here, so 1 second inverse is equal to 3600 R inverse. What we have done here, 1 second is equal to 1 upon 3600 R. From here we have written 1 second is equal to 1 upon 3600 R. Now if we divide both sides by 1, so 1 upon 1 second is equal to 1 upon 3600 R. It will, we will get second inverse is equal to 3600 R inverse. So 1 second inverse is equal to 3600 R inverse. From here we get squaring both the side, we have squared both the sides. So 1 upon second minus 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 3600 square r minus r to the power minus 2. Now in the question we are given 3 meter per second square. So let us see the question again. In the question it is given the 3 meter per second square is equal to how much kilometer per hour square. Fine. So 3 meter per second square is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. So 3 meter is equal to how much? 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. Why? Because 1 meter we have written here, 1 meter is equal to 1 meter in this step, 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. So 3 meter is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. Simple. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. Again, 1 second square, second, 1 second uh, to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 second to the power minus 2 here is equal to 3600 square r minus 2, r to the power minus 2. Now we have multiplied it with this, then we get 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, 36 square multiplied by 100 square kilometer r to the power minus 2. So what we have done here, 3600 square we have written in this way. Why 3600 square, then 36 into 100 whole square, 36 square multiplied by 100 square. So we have written this. Now 3 into 3 into 36 square multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 10 square whole square. Why 10 square whole square? 100 we can write as 10 square. 100 we can write as 10 square, and 100 square. So this square is 100 square kilometer per hour square. Now 3 into 36 square multiply by 10 to the power minus 3. Here 10 square to the power square. So 10 to the power 4 kilometer hour minus 2, r to the power minus 2. So if we multiply this 3 into 36 square, here 36, we are 36 into 36, this is the answer. Again this is multiplied with 3, then this is the answer. So we have put here 38888 upon 10 to the power minus 3. From numerator we have taken to denominator, so 10 to the power 3 multiply by 10 to the power 4 kilometer hour to the power minus 2. Now we have converted into decimal. So this decimal point was divided by 1000, 3888 divided by 1000, we got 3.88. As scientific notation we take only the two digits after decimal. So 3.88 multiply by 10 to the power 4 kilometer minus 2. Here we have done the mistake that we have written minus 4. This was a completely calculation error. So this was wrong and this is correct. Thank you, Mahi, for pointing out this. Thank you very much. Students, please communicate with us and tell your problems. Any chapter, any question which you didn't understand, we will rewrite that question and try to explain it. Hope my now this is understood. Again, if you have any problem in any other question or even in this question, we'll make another video to explain, try to explain you. Thank you very much. Enjoy watching our videos.